Hello, my name is Eric and I am a technical support engineer here at Infinite. Today we're going to go over how to use the InphoniteVoice Mobile App. The first step is to download the InphoniteVoice app on your phone. The app is available in both the Google Play Store for Android and the App Store for Apple devices. This helpful app can be used to send one-time messages when needed, for example, if the office was closed due to inclement weather. After the download is complete, open the app and log in with your username and password. From the home screen, select Instant Message. Select the appointment date you would like the instant message to be sent out for by clicking on the Contacts with Appointments On field located here. After selecting the appointment date, hit OK. Next, click on the Delivery Method field here. Then select the type of message to send out. Text messages require premium texting in order to send, so if you do not have premium texting, you will want to select voice only. Otherwise, if you have premium texting, you can choose any of the three options. Text with voice fallback will check to verify if the number is capable of receiving a text, and if it is not, it will instead send a phone call. After selecting the delivery method, click on the delivery time frame field, and then choose which time to send out the instant message. The next field is for filters, which can be used to send out messages to patients with a specific provider or location. For this video, we will be leaving the value set to none. For more information on how to use the filter, please contact technical support for a walkthrough. Next, on the bottom, click the Message to Send field and type in your message you would like sent out. Click the Send Message button and you will receive a prompt letting you know how many appointments were found, and if you are sure you want to send the message. Select Yes and you will receive another prompt letting you know that your message has been queued up. Your instant message is now complete. Now that your messages are queued, you can always check your queue status here, and later on you may also wish to run a report. To find out more about our products, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us for this quick walkthrough. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our customer service portal for more technical support resources.